Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, a double warp, pure and beautiful silk saree. Excellent contrast pallu, a blue copper sulphate blue color with very elegant silver jari work in the pallu. Beautiful grand one with same color blouse piece. We have a beautiful design in the blouse piece with border concept and florals here and there. The saree is in an excellent mild green mixed half white color. The starting of the pallu also have the pretty peacock work, and we have a turning border, very beautiful gold jari work turning border, elegantly done, and the color of the saree is a tussar color, green mixed half white, and very beautiful design, the peacocks in a vertical kodi pattern. The florals are also very pretty, completely organic color dyes used here, vegetable, natural color, no form of synthetic chemicals are used, a pure and traditional Penkalamkari saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, and it is done using completely organic natural colors. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Thank you. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. A very beautiful collection with contrast pallu, copper sulphate blue color with silver jari work. Very beautiful pallu, same color blouse piece with an elegant floral pattern, completely done using beautiful colors. The saree is in tussar color, mild green mixed half white color, a very elegant peacock design. The turning border in the lower part, on it a beautiful peacock design is done, multiple colors used for the base round, and inside it we can see a very elegant peacock. Beautiful kodi pattern in the top, a very fine Vanasingaram concept, and it is done using organic natural vegetable dyes. No form of chemicals used here. A pure traditional natural process of Penkalamkari done using hand writing and hand painting method using organic vegetable dyes, and it is done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. A turning design, beautiful design sarees here with a contrast pallu. Here we have a turquoise green color pallu with gold jari work, elegant Haravatam design, beautiful weaving saree with a plain blouse piece in pallu color. The saree is in half white base, elegant one, and we have the border design done using a light peach base color, Kalamkari, peacocks and florals, and here we have a monolithic work, beautiful dancers and instruments, a figure work, artwork, a dramatic ancient men is depicted here, and we also have the Kalamkari peacock design again done here. Horizontally it's been done, completely natural colors used, no form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree, a pure and organic saree here, and turning design gold jari border adds beautiful next to the saree. You can see an excellent semicircle pattern, really type design, weaved fantastically using gold jari. Beautiful pattern, perfect Penkalamkari silk, hand written and hand painted using organic colors, and it is done on pure Kanjivaram silk and comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a very beautiful turning design border, and we have a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a sweet pink color pallu with very elegant gold jari work, rich design, and leaf pattern hand painted in the pallu, the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece it is. And here we have a very different, very elegant design, blue base, and on it fully the lotus and lotus leaves design is hand painted in this saree. Very different, beautiful design, completely hand written and hand painted using natural vegetable dyes. Borderless concept in the top, and we have a beautiful turning design border in the bottom, completely gold jari used for the border. Very elegant one, blue and green really goes well. A pure form of Penkalamkari, South India's very beautiful and artistic work on sarees, and it is done using natural vegetable dyes, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on a pure Kanjivaram soft silk with beautiful turning design border, completely in gold jari weaving. And we have an excellent contrast pallu, green and blue mixed color, a copper sulphate green and blue mixed with gold jari weaving design again, and the same color blouse piece with elegant hand painted designs here and there in the blouse piece, multiple colors used for that. The saree itself is a pink here, on it dark pink and blue as well as the orange is used for painting. It's also giving a beautiful look to the saree. It's a very beautiful design too, fish as well as peacocks hand painted in the half portion of the saree, and we also have a turning border that is weaved using gold jari in the bottom. The buttas are also present in the saree, which is in gold jari work. Top we have borderless concept, but it is painted using dark colors, which gives a beautiful painted border in the top. Elegant one, completely hand painted using organic vegetable dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals are used. A pure pen kalamkari done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, and the saree comes with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk double warp turning design sarees. Here we have a very beautiful silver jari work, excellent blue pallu, contrast pallu, and same pallu color blouse piece. The plain blouse piece here. Tassels are already made. The saree here is painted in yellow color base, very elegant Vanasingaram concept. The florals, and we have the peacocks here and there, pretty peacocks. The florals also very pretty design, and we have a silver jari turning design border in the bottom. Excellent design it is. In the base half white color itself, elegantly hand painted work, penned and painted using natural vegetable color dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals is used in any part of the saree. It's very beautiful, eco-friendly, organic pen kalamkari saree, a traditional and trendy version on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, a very elegant hand painting work, traditional process done on double warp turning design border sarees. Here we have a peach color pallu, contrast pallu with very elegant gold zari work. Same peach blouse piece, it's a pinky peach color with flower pattern, hand painted all over the blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful brownish brown color. This natural color, brown used here. The top half is completely the florals, and the lower half we have the very beautiful dancers, the monoethnic work, sculpture design dancers. Beautifully it's been done. We can see the Ellora kind of paintings here. Very elegantly the human figures are hand painted here. The colors used are completely organic vegetable dyes, and we have a very beautiful turning design border in the bottom. On the base tassa color, the half white color itself, and it is a silver saree, very elegant peacock design work. Beautiful saree, completely a pure form of pen kalamkari done using natural colors on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. The beautiful contrast pallu. Here we have a turquoise green color pallu with beautiful gold jari work, very elegant and rich pallu, and same pallu color blouse piece, plain blouse piece here, same turquoise green, and the saree here is done on the base saree half white color itself, the jassa color. And after the washes of the pen kalamkari, it gives a light green tinge half white, and we have very elegant pattern. The top border is completely the monolithic border with maroon base. You can see the sculpture work designs, very elegant figure work it is, beautifully done. In the middle portion we have the floral small flower designs, and again the sculpture part is coming here on the maroon base, and we have the turning border in gold jewelry. An excellent concept saree. On overall it is a very pretty and elegant pen kalamkari saree, completely natural color dye used one, organic vegetable dye saree with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on a pure Kanjivaram soft silk double warp silk saree with the turning design border, contrast pallu on blouse piece. The pallu is a radiant green, light green here with gold zari work. Same pallu color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is, with the saree done the light peach base color, natural color. You can see the mild peach color with the full floral design work all over the saree. The floral pattern is hand painted using natural colors, and we have a big and beautiful turning design border done using gold zari in the bottom, that is on the base sandal color itself. Very beautiful, excellent saree, proper pen kalamkari, traditional penning and painting method using organic colors on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk double warp turning design border sarees. Here we have a beautiful silver zari work, excellent peacock neck blue and green mixed color pallu, very elegant one, dark color, almost a copper sulphate blue with green tinge, plain blouse piece. elegant rich pallu, and we have a peacock designed beautiful Vanasingaram concept, big peacock design in the body. You can see very pretty one. The saree color itself is a light radiant green with the silver zari buttas and mango concept all over the saree. On the work, the painting work is done. Completely natural vegetable color dyes are used. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. A perfect organic and eco-friendly saree it is. Beautiful one. Pen kalamkari, penning and painting done using natural colors on a pure silk, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on very elegant double work Kanjivaram soft silk with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a dark magenta pink color blouse piece, silver zari work, beautiful pallu, and completely painted podi design floral pattern blouse piece in same pallu color. The saree completely is done in grey color, painted in grey. You can see the natural color dye painting. Elegantly it's been done with Vanasingaram concept, florals at the top and beautiful peacocks on the turning design border, turning silver zari border. On it the painting work is done. It gives an excellent glittery peacocks here. Beautiful work. Very elegantly the peacocks are done. Traditional peacocks, the pen kalamkari traditional version, penned and painted using the natural color dyes. Vegetable dyes are used. A pure and organic eco-friendly saree it is, done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, double work, beautiful soft silk sarees with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a gold zari work, beautiful peach color pallu with same color, plain blouse piece. The saree here is completely painted in green, dark forest green color, and completely the concept is a floral here with beautiful colors. And we also have a turning design border with semicircles pattern done in gold zari in the bottom. Pure and beautiful organic pen kalamkari sarees, penned and painted using the natural organic vegetable dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. Very beautiful, perfect, eco-friendly saree it is. And it's a traditional pen kalamkari process on pure Kanjivaram silk, soft silk with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, an elegant jari border saree, gold jari work, contrast pallu, and we have beautiful gold jari work in the pallu, green color, same green for the blouse piece with both sides jari borders and elegant hand painted work. The saree is on beautiful pink, violetish pink color. Very elegant color with fully floral pattern, completely hand painted using organic color dyes. Completely vegetable dyes are used here. And you can see the borders are in gold jari with a thin border in the pallu color. Very beautiful pen kalamkari saree done on traditional process, completely hand written and hand painted using vegetable color dyes on a pure Kanjivaram soft silk with beautiful border design. Excellent one with authentic silk mark.